This question asks us to predict the product when this alkene is treated with the S version of a catalyst. We are shown what happens with the R version of the catalyst. If the R version of this catalyst reduces this alkene and forms a new stereocenter on a dash bond, the enantiomer of the catalyst will form the opposite orientation of the product. If this bond is on a dash in the product with the R enantiomer of this catalyst, then it will be on a wedge in the version with the S version of the catalyst. So I'm not going to draw this whole molecule, but we'll have this T-butyl group attached to this nitrogen and the carbonyl. And this bond, when it forms the bond to this carbon, will now be on a wedge. These squiggly lines here just indicate that it's attached to the rest of the molecule at this position. The rest of the molecule stays the same. With the opposite version of the catalyst, we get the opposite version of the stereocenter. It was on a dash with the R version of the catalyst. It will be on a wedge with the S version of the catalyst.